Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, today I'm going to show you guys how to create a disk partition on Windows 11. First of all, click on the Start menu, then type Partition. Right-click on your disk. You will see options like Shrink Volume. Click on that one. Then you select the size you want to divide it to. After that, then you click on Shrink. As you can see, they have subtracted the new disk from the old disk. Right-click on the new disk. After that, then you click on New Simple Volume. Here you can select the letter you want to assign to your disk. For me, I prefer to use the D. Before you can use the new disk, you have to format it. So now you can use your new disk.